How to delete Facebook account permanently. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account, then tap on your profile at the top right corner and then tap on the gear icon over here at the top right yet again. Here, tap on See More in Account Center option. As you do that, scroll down and tap on Personal Details again. Now select on account ownership and control over here. Here you can see the option of deactivation or deletion. So tap on deactivation and deletion and then tap on a profile. Now select on delete account over here. So just tap on it and then tap on continue. So here you can just tap on continue again, and here you can give any reasons that why are you deleting your Facebook account. So you can just select whichever option is more convenient for you and then tap on continue and then tap on continue again, and here you can just tap on continue again, and here you need to enter your password just to make sure and verify that it's you who actually wants to delete your Facebook account. And when you enter the password, you will be able to delete your Facebook account permanently. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.